Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today I'd like to talk to you about auxiliary indicator lights that you can purchase to install on your bike rack or your cargo carrier. Now, once you have your cargo carrier and bike rack loaded, you may not be able to see your tail lights. We want the people behind to see when we stop and when we want to turn. So that's where this comes into play. We can install these on the bike rack, plug them into the existing wiring, and we're safe to travel down the road. When installing the auxiliary lights, do note that the blue connector will line up for the left turn signal. Simply peel the backing off the light and affix it in the desired position. Now repeat for your yellow connector on the passenger side. We can now connect the blue and yellow connectors. Do note there is a tab on the inside that lines up with the slot on the opposite end. Twist them closed. You can now plug your lights in using the existing 4-flat connection. Make sure to route the wires out of the way. Since our indicator lights are now affixed to this accessory, I'm also going to zip tie the wires to the bike rack away from any moving pinch points, so they will not drag on the ground if they become loose or when we store the bike rack for later use. The kit does not come with zip ties. You will need to purchase them separately. We can now temporarily secure the excess slack in the wire harness. Go ahead and coil it up and zip tie it down, and then zip tie it to a safe place on the rack away from any pinch points. You can now insert the 4-flat connector into the vehicle's wire harness. If you have a 7-way connector like our vehicle, there is an adapter that can be purchased. I will link it in the description below. As you can now see, we have tail lights, brake lights, and indicator lights. That concludes the auxiliary indicator lights for your bike rack and cargo carrier accessories. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.
If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.